The internet never disappoints. Let's rank the funniest memes of all time. And trust me, number one is pure chaos.
I wanna take
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person.
I'll be crying if I look like that too, bro. That's fucked up what they be doing to y'all. I ain't even gonna hold you, bro. I be saying that's fucked up, like, bro, you probably had the full washing set. You should be fired probably if they ain't cut your shit. Fuck it though, bro. It's your life.